the name of the Empress.
You are under arrest.
Again. Ha! On guard.
Ha! It's her again.
Bonjour, madame. Monsieur.
Bonjour.
How polite.
Merci. You see, I have the finest manners in all of France.
Well, certainly not finer than our own.
We are palace guards. We are famous for having the very finest manners. We always say please and thank you.
And we always let others go first.
You have given me no choice but to challenge you to a duel of manners.